So I decided to increase the number of blackberry varieties a bit, since I really liked the berry and bought some. Two varieties at Green Market. I liked them then, but now they sent me, of course, not very much. I like to pull out just the root, but it's already sending out shoots from the roots. So I see that the live variety is called Flint. I chose based on the ripening time and the berry itself. Out of them, the one that I took for myself. Bradford Gillant, it's considered a thorny variety. Here I'm uncovering it with a passenger. All these varieties I have are thornless. They are tied up as much as possible, as I mentioned. Later, when the buds wake up, I will cut off the frozen and excess parts. The planting is similar as, let's say, does Melina. The planting hole, we add mineral fertilizers, organic. Well, I usually throw in some phosphate, double superphosphate, a bit of urea, and potassium fertilizers. Well, compost, from the compost pile, I mix it all up. I add soil to plant the blackberry, and I plant it. Blackberry is not very demanding. Let's say both to the soil and to the conditions. It's not particularly susceptible to diseases. There are no pests and there aren't that many of them. It loves abundant and frequent watering. Let's say watering. If you water it well, it grows very well. And it just gives, let's say, if you bought a cutting, look, for example, this one was planted. This cutting was taken from this bush. The cutting was lowered, buried. Here that one, let's say the bud. There will definitely be berries, that's for sure. So, if you bought a green shoot, and there's a live bunch with a leaf that has already started growing this year, around August, maybe late July depending on the variety, you'll see what berries will be there. Well, about 5-10 berries, but already. Will you enjoy them? In the second year, of course, there will be a lot more berries,